All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really cool classic truck. It's a 1946 Chevy 3100. It's finished in like a dark burgundy wine metallic, beautiful color. It looks great in the sun, it's great at night. It's got the 18 and 20 inch staggered Ridler wheels. Brand new interior, leather interior, smells like fresh leather in here. Got a color match steering wheel. It's got a, I did it tilt column, odometer gauges. Those are nice too. You got a tack and all the gauges work real well. The bed's been refinished. It's got a 350 crate motor. It's real pretty. It's all polished. Everything's chrome or aluminum or polished. Electric fan. It's got a, the bed's been redone. Nice fresh wood bed. Relocated fuel tank. It's a great looking truck. And I think it's an SN chassis, like I said, which makes it just drive like a normal truck. Rack and pinion power steering. It's got front power disc brakes. Just something you can just kind of hop in and drive. Doesn't bounce around too bad, even though it looks kind of low. It's got air shocks in the back. But nice truck. The previous owner did a lot to this truck. He bought it, mostly done, and just personalized it and really spent a lot of extra money on making it right. But we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and more video for you so you can get a better look at it as soon as I step on it. Woo! Yeah, I think it runs good. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our 1946 Chevy 3100 pickup. Beautiful truck, nice paint and body, nice color. The fit and finish is nice also for these old trucks. They were old farm trucks usually, so when they restore them, they come out better than they were when they were new. This one sits on a later model GM chassis, so it's got front disc brakes, power rack and pinion steering. It's got a 10-bolt Chevy rear differential. It's got the rear drum brakes, 18 and 20 inch Ridler staggered wheels. They look real cool on there. It's got airbags in the back in case you want to raise it up a little bit, or I should say air shocks. Nice running boards. There's really cool headlights on these, how they stand out like that. Show you the interior. So it's got a brand new leather interior, new carpeting, very nice. It's got the odometer gauges, tilt steering wheel, even the headliner's done. This is a glide seat. This bottom portion lifts up, and there's a little storage under there, and it's got a sub and some speakers behind the seat there. Also Lokar shifter, floor shifter. It's got a custom stereo system in it that I think is Bluetooth only. It's hidden, you can't see it anywhere, so you pair your phone to it so you can listen to music off your device. Great looking truck, lots of money spent on it, and ready to drive. Here's the engine in the 46 Chevy. Just a small block 350 crate motor that you get from General Motors. It's probably like the 300 horsepower version. It's got aluminum intake on there, a salt intake, Edelbrock carburetor. It's got power disc brakes, nice chrome booster there and master, little Willwood proportioning valve. Also has an aluminum radiator, electric fans, overflow can right there, and nice smoothed out firewall. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice, reliable small block. It's got tinted glass too, but it runs real good. Nice, quiet, runs cool. Plenty of horsepower to get you up the highway. Got turbo 350 automatic transmission. Nice dual exhaust. Got a little wrap to it. Really cool truck. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see us at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of the truck and the rest of the cars we have here. Also going to arrange some financing if you need some help with that or shipping. You name it. All right, thanks for watching.